We went to Stafford-on-Avon and we bought a jacket potato. How much was that jacket potato?
£11.
So we had a jacket potato with beans and cheese, nothing fancy. And we thought, how is this so expensive? You know what, we could get so many more food things with that amount of money. So this is part one. We spent less than half of £11 on everything you've got here. So we're going to make 2 delicious and satisfying meals. We were shocked at the cost of the simple lunch and decided to make our own challenge. So this is why we're making this quick video. A little bit of creativity and smart budgeting. You can spend less money and get more food. So we're going to go through this as a frugal food challenge. Firstly, I'm going to go through and explain what we've got here. We're going to see each item, how much it costs, and also why we picked this item.
Yes.
Everything has gone more expensive. However,
yes.
You can still get good meals. So if we take these and look at each item, and
because it was like we needed milk for something in here which we'll find out soon. And we needed a small one. We didn't really need a big bottle. So yeah.
So why we picked this one is the big bottles were quite expensive, about £2.
Yes.
And this milk we actually got for 95p.
Whoa.
So that's 500 milliliters. You can drink milk on its own. However, we've got something exciting here that we will add with the milk. So that's milk. We've got, you might have guessed what we're making.
Yeah, already.
So we've got a jam, strawberry jam. Next,
we have got peanut butter.
Peanut butter. So you know what peanut butter is all about?
Yes.
Do you like peanut butter?
Not really.
Oh, it's in it. I thought it was a glass. It's plastic.
Is it?
I think it's plastic. It looks like plastic. But yeah, smooth peanut butter. So peanut butter, strawberry.
And now
the main event. We found, how much was a small bread? Remember we looked at the small bread? Because we didn't need a really big bread, like a loaf. The small one was 99p.
99p?
And that was like half the size. And we thought, wait a minute, why don't we just buy the big one, which is like 80 pence? 89p for the bread.
So we spent more.
Less money on more bread.
Yeah, that's weird.
Intense. So this is wholemeal bread as well, so it should be good. So we've got that, but then we're also going to prep this meal, so hang about. We're going to actually make this live and let you know how we get through it. What about we looked at dessert options, didn't we?
Oh yes, dessert. So
we still had enough money to buy desserts.
6 chocolate rolls, mini rolls.
These are mini rolls, chocolate mini rolls. So that is something that is like, we didn't get that with our jacket potato. So we got an extra dessert, 6 of them, and that was only 55 pence, mini chocolate rolls. And then as an extra bonus option, because we got milk, we have got
Whisper instant hot chocolate.
Yes.
It doesn't taste like Whisper.
Whisper chocolate. We're not taking into account the electricity we're going to use, because we might need to use a microwave to heat the milk up to make the hot chocolate. So how much did we spend on all of this? We spent
£4.63.
£4.63. That's less than half of that jacket potato. And look how much food we got. We could probably eat for a full week. If you there's so much bread, we got so much peanut butter and jam, and we've got milk, so that'll be like a dessert for one time, and then we can carry eating. So what we'll do now is we'll prep it, and then we can see how this works. So first we're going to get wholemeal bread. So this is like a nice brown bread. Seems soft. It smells nice. It smells lovely. It's like freshly made. Oh, okay, strawberry jam.
Yeah, go on.
You can open it and get the nice sound effects in your mic. Oh yeah, let's have a look at it.
It smells so nice.
Smells like jam. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, it smells fully jammy.
Yeah.
Jammy, and it's vegan friendly, so it's like vegetarian friendly. You know why they do that with the lid?
Yeah.
Why?
I just found out, I think.
Go on.
So like, you know, when it was closed, it didn't make this sound. But when you open it, it makes a sound, meaning that if it makes that sound, meaning it's open.
It has been opened. Yes, so it's not like you need to use it within that time period. So if you're in the shop and if your lid makes this noise, that means someone's opened it. So you don't really want to buy that, because you don't know how long it's been open for. You put on there.
I don't know, there's a vacuum, I think.
Yes.
It's like...
Yeah, it's like a jelly type jam. Do you like it more jammy, or do you like it less jammy?
Less jammy, I think, because it's
like... Sure?
Yeah.
Okay, so what to do is put half jam, a lot in, and put half less in, so we cut it in half and you can try both sides.
Fair enough.
Yeah. So try and see if you can keep that on one half side.
Let's do it. Oh no.
I knew something like this was going to happen.
Okay,
so
let's do
testing
this
your, that half.
Why did you make me do this?
And because it's easier, jam is easier than the peanut butter.
Really?
Peanut butter sticks. Should I do it?
Yeah, go on.
Okay, so if we go... You don't normally make sandwiches?
Not really. Normally just like a... Not really a sandwich type of guy.
What's your favourite food? Jack potato. That's why we spent £11 on Jack potato.
Okay.
So that side, remember
that thingy
it's got a sticker.
Yeah, sticker.
Oh.
Oh wait, that smells nice.
It smells like peanut. Yeah. Peanut butter. Peanutty, smooth peanut butter. We didn't get the crunchy one.
Yeah, because...
So okay, shall I... Okay, how much peanut butter should we put on?
Like...
It's like a margarine, like buttery type thing. So if I go...
Okay. Oh, that's smooth.
Actually, that was
sick.
That was quite nice.
Yeah.
If I had a zoom in camera, I could have zoomed in entirely onto that.
Oh. I have to make this evenly. Actually, maybe, yeah. Oh, okay.
Okay, so now... Okay, so that's the first sandwich ready. However, we're not going to taste test it yet. We're going to taste test the whole entire thing.
Oh, really? Okay.
So if you open up the dessert...
Me too?
Yeah, maybe 2 along here. Oh, unless
like
you could do, yeah. Like, you could do more if you want. Let's do 4. Just put a line of them.
Ooh, that looks nice.
Okay, so that's there. So we've got 4 chocolate logs. We've got a sandwich. And then, now, the drink. The question is, do you want the drink, hot drink afterwards? Hot drink now? Or do you eat that drink with the chocolate?
With that chocolate.
Okay, so that means we need to get some milk on the go. So we're going to put some milk. We're going to heat up the milk. And then we're going to stir this in. The only bit we're going to do now is, we've heated up some milk.
Yes.
You can see the milk's been nicely heated up. And then we've got Whisper Instant. So do you know how to do this?
None. All of it?
Yeah, I think it's meant to be 1 portion. Oh, wow. Holy moly, that's a lot of thingy.
That is a lot.
It should be nice and thick. Go on, you mix it while I read the information on the... Whisper Instant Hot Chocolate. So you pour sachet. They say use water, but we're going to be using milk because milk is a bit thicker. Yeah. So it might be even better. So keep spinning that beauty up and see how that comes out then. Preparation instructions, and this is an instant hot chocolate drink, Whisper Instant.
That looks so nice.
Oh my god.
It's not even like thin, it's like thick.
It's like proper thick creamy, isn't it? Keep it going. Yeah, keep spinning it. It should get into a position. So now how do you want to do this? This is the tasting element of the show now. You're going to be tasting what we ended up making. You want to mix that while you do the taste test?
Yeah, go on, wait.
Okay, wait 1 sec. So if I pick up one of the slices that you like the look of, try and get the middle one because I'll have...
Sure.
Yeah.
Oh, get ready.
Go on, let's see what you got.
That's not bad.
What's your first impressions?
That's nice. Wait, it's like...
It's meant to be like...
The jam is nice.
Yes.
And you know what? I thought the peanut butter wasn't going to be nice. It is really nice.
That's what happens normally. It's like them awkward mixes. You don't think they would work. Should I try one?
Go on, try it.
I haven't really tried this combination ever before.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like... Oh. It's not... I don't know how to describe it. It's not sweet. It's not sour. It's eatable. It's chewable. It's tasty. Could you eat a full one of those?
Not really. I don't think I could.
Is it because too much jam or?
Jam, yeah.
So maybe if you put less jam in there, and that might be an option. Okay. And also we used wholemeal bread, not white bread, so maybe it might have tasted different with white bread. How's the drink looking?
Looking so nice.
Okay, so that meal is okay. Easy to prepare. The drink looks like it's amazing. Now, the dessert. Because remember, we got dessert with these. You want to dip them in hot chocolate and eat them? Or do you want to just eat them normally?
That's the best idea you ever come with. Okay. Dip them. Ready.
Oh my god. What's the chocolate like? Hot chocolate like? Let me just pre-mix this for you.
You know what?
That was a very good mix because look, it's nice and thick. Okay, was all of this worth £4.63?
Yes.
Now keep in mind that we used a little bit of electricity to heat this up.
Yeah, but...
However, we have got a camping stove.
Oh, yes.
That we could have used to heat the milk up with. So in theory, if we had budgeted the camping stove into it, the camping stove is like a mini camping stove and a bottle of gas. That was about £10. However, that would last us a long amount of time. We don't need that much for that. We could have put a little camping fire in the garden with some wood and heated up the milk, which would have been in theory free. So in essence, we spent £4.63 on our first meal, which is this meal, and I think we did quite well.
This is nice. Drink it. Taste
and
it.
let me undo what you did.
Oh.
Oh my god.
It's like
look at that. It's like holy mono. Look. Yeah.
Oh man, it's like Foodie gets coated.
Yes. That is a very nice hot chocolate whisper. We also got the whisper. Yeah. 100%, yeah. So, this was the first part challenge. We only spent £4.63. We still have some money left over. So the next challenge is going to be a better one because we're going to do some hot meals.
Oh, yes.
We're going to go on to this video to check out what that is. We'll see you on that video for part 2 of this challenge.